Fellows Tilt and Slide and Tilt and Slide Pro keyboard managers allow you to work in first-class comfort. Your Tilt and Slide includes the platform, keyboard wrist rest, and the mouse wrist rest. The Tilt and Slide Pro features separate keyboard and mousing platforms. The mousing platform is attached via the Comfort Glide system with a twist of a single knob. Select your desired height by choosing from the 3 positions, and then tighten the knob to secure the mousing platform. Assembly is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, open the brackets to accommodate your desk edge. Loosen both knobs under the platform by turning counterclockwise as far as they will turn without coming off. While pressing the lever, open the bracket wide enough to slide onto your desk edge. Fellows' new stronger brackets easily attach to desktop edges up to 1 3/4 inches thick without tools, allowing platform to effortlessly tilt and slide. Second, once the unit is fully slid onto the desk edge, squeeze the bracket to tighten against the underside of the desk before proceeding. Third, after the brackets are tight against the underside of the desk surface, tighten both knobs by turning clockwise until your Tilt and Slide is secure. With Fellows' new Tilt and Slide keyboard managers, you get complete comfort at your fingertips.